buddies. So as you know that Varsha, Tripathi and I, we made this game video which I obviously lost.
When I visited Thailand, I visited Thailand quite a few times, but whenever I visit Thailand, what do I do?
But now I'm going to win. This is the time for me to win. And as we are at Driven Cafe, well, check this. The Hayabusa right beside me, the Daytona, and of course the Mustang, the Porsche, and all the sexy cars, and a beautiful looking lady also with me. And of course, don't talk anything about my looks. Anyway, so I was discussing with her and I said, we are at the Driven Cafe. And have you ever been on a super bike or a big bike? And she said, no. I said, what? Now, you are friends with us and you are not, you have not been on a big bike. Then I thought I should take her on the Hayabusa. But again, we don't have a proper gear with us because it was not a planned thing. And we will just be having 2 helmets. So I don't wish to take a hyper bike like the Hayabusa, not even the Daytona. And so we'll be taking a Harley Davidson 48. Now again, don't underestimate that machine. That machine is really fast. You watched my previous videos about the Harley Davidson 48, right? That can do 0 to 100 in 4 seconds. So after the ride, I'll not be pushing much, but we'll be asking her how she felt about this ride.
Well, I'm super excited to ride a bike with him. I've never done that before, ever. So I just hope the best. And since he's like a biker, so high expectations.
Let's go.
I have the SJ Cam 6 Legend in my hand, but I don't have a mount for it. You know that? I'm just holding it in my hand. So what I'm going to do, once we put on our helmets, sneeze not coming, got stuck. Anyhow, so I'm going to give it to Varsha so that she can just hold it with her hand. So it's not going to be very stable, but who knows? She might surprise us by holding it very stably. But let's see.
I don't think so.
And also we're going to be on a Harley Davidson, so this is going to be, it's not a very smooth bike. So let's start off. So now, thank you Jahangir. So is my friend Jahangir from Driven Cafe. If you are at the cafe, you can meet him. He's the manager here. Thank you, Jahangir. And okay. So Varsha.
Guys, if I survive.
Yeah. So she's just going to hold it. Okay, can you hold it with your hands? You can fall, but make sure the camera doesn't fall. Okay.
Just shut up.
Okay, and I'm going to get on to the bike. Sounds crazy. This bike with the aftermarket exhaust sounds amazing. Truly amazing. Yeah. Let's go.
absolutely love this Harley Davidson 48. What a machine, what torque. I mean, it looks like a cruiser, but this thing can smoke as serious stuff. If you haven't watched my video of Harley Davidson versus Duke 390, you should. And now it's time to ask Varsha Tripathi, how was the ride on Harley Davidson, but it's no lesser than a super bike in terms of acceleration from 0 to 100. So how was it?
Actually, first of all, guys, let me tell you, Vikas is an awesome rider. Seriously, awesome biker he is. He did I just loved, like this entire ride. Everything was superb. He was very careful.
How was the acceleration? Were you flying off?
It was just, I was loving it. I just loved it. But then my heart was skipping beats.
I mean, it's very common to be scared because these things really pull hard. The G-force, the acceleration is serious.
I enjoyed it like anything. It was awesome. Thank you so much, Vikas, for this lovely ride. I just loved it.
Thank you. Do make a music video dedicated to me.
Sure.
Thank you, guys. And do check out her channel if you are not already subscribed. That Varsha Tripathi official on YouTube. I'll put up the link in the description of this video. And she's got awesome music, and well, I think enough good things said about her. Bye bye, Varsha.
Check Bujwali Aja.
Yeah, thank you. So again, we are at the Driven Cafe, as I mentioned. If you wish to get a motorcycle or a car, any of the sexy machines right behind me, do log on to driven.in and live the dream. Bye bye. If you're not subscribed to me, you're missing out on almost 500 videos, friends. 500 videos which drive you mental. I mean, they're not great, but you can check them out.